Yo, what's up, guys? So welcome back. I'm pretty pumped about making this video. I really think you guys are going to enjoy this one for sure. I'm actually super excited about it because Summer's birthday is coming up on the 17th of July, and it is the week of the 4th right now. She thinks that she's already gotten everything that she's going to get for her birthday. She got a pair of shoes and a couple other things. But most of you guys that know me pretty well know that I started my own business in the past year, and it's been a great success, and I'm so thankful for that. And I am excited to finally be able to get her exactly what she wanted. So we're big lake people. We go to the lake on the weekends, and I've got a 88 Mastercraft that I absolutely love. It's the coolest thing ever. Everybody says I'm a little too proud of it, but you guys will see that at some point in this video. But anyway, I am excited. We are sitting here waiting on the guy now that's got the exact jet ski that I think she's going to fall in love with. It's not real big. It's actually a medium-sized jet ski, but it's going to be perfect size for her. And she is just looking for something just to ride around, you know, while we're on the boat and on the weekends. But she has no idea that she's getting anything else for her birthday. I'm so pumped that she's going to find out. I think she's really going to enjoy it. And I'm going to carry you guys along and kind of let y'all see the reaction when she gets it, and let you guys decipher what you think about it. And I hope you guys just enjoy this video. If you do, drop a like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in just a minute. I'm going to talk to this guy about the jet ski when he gets here, and I'll kind of walk you guys through if we do pick it up, and if not, we're going to go snag another one. So hope you guys enjoy, and look forward to seeing you in a bit. Okay guys, so I'm here. I'm fixing to roll into the campground. You guys are going to have to bear with me. I know the audio on this video is awful, and the lighting's not so great either, but I am pulling in here now, and I'm going to try to grab her reaction the best that I can. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope you watch it to the end of the video. Let me get this gate unlocked real quick. Okay, hold up, guys. So here we go. This is going to be interesting. I'll drop my sunglasses. Okay. Alright, bear with me, guys. I'm back in the truck now, and we're headed over there to see how she reacts. I'll pull up with it. There it is. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's all black and white. It's super nice. It's a 2014 model. Like I said, it's got like 23 hours on it, so it's practically new. Like, it's going to be perfect for her. It's kind of small. It's not anything huge, but it's, you know, she's small, so it'll be fitting. So here we go. I'm pulling down the boat ramp here now. Everybody's here. It's 4th of July. It's super busy down here. Almost there. There's all the boats in the water. Everybody's ready to go for the campground, Lake Cherokee, horse setup. We're here. Let's see how she reacts.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Where'd you been at?
I talked to a guy from Kentucky. I met him today. It's exactly what you wanted.
I know! I'm about to cry!
I got a good video of it.
I'm not crazy, I'm just
Yeah, me neither. Let's see if we can get that here. It's super nice.
Oh my god, babe! You done so good!
Is that what you wanted?
I didn't expect it.
Got a good deal on it.
Did you?
You're gonna love it.
It looks brand new. Did you drive it?
No, not yet.
No.
No, it ain't been drove yet.
Has it been in salt water?
No, it's been on Lake Kiwi.
Dang. Oh my
It'll be
god.
good. Yo, what's up everybody? So thanks for watching that video. It was pretty exciting for us, and I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that supports us on this stuff and you know, kind of allows us to do what we do, for sure. And I'm excited to show you guys in the future some update videos on the Camaro build, and I've got some more videos coming up about my business and some expansions that we're doing. So I look forward to letting you guys in on all of that stuff. So stay tuned and look forward to seeing you then. Peace out.